Welcome to Gelous Tutorials. Today I will show you how to prep your nails and do a gel nail polish application. Let's get into it. Set up on a clean flat surface out of direct sunlight. Lay out your products and remove the blue film from your gel nail lamp's base plate. Apply a small amount of cuticle remover to each cuticle and let it quickly soften overgrown skin. Gently push back any cuticles that have grown over the nail bed using an Orangewood Cuticle Stick or Cuticle Pusher. This provides a clean surface for the gel nail polish to stick to, while making your nails look longer and more even. If you haven't used Cuticle Remover, you can alternatively use the curved side of the 180 grit nail file. If you're using an e-file pen, you can alternatively use the Cuticle Ceramic Drill Bit or Cuticle Remover Diamond Drill Bit to gently push back cuticles while removing dead skin. When using drill bits on natural nails, always operate on level 1 only. This provides enough power to remove cuticles safely without causing damage. Start in the center of the cuticle area, moving in one direction and using light pressure. Keep the drill bit flat to the nail and ensure it is moving continuously to prevent heat buildup or overfiling. You can rest your hand on a stable surface for control and turn your hand as you go around the cuticle. Remember to change the rotation when switching sides so the bit always moves opposite to your direction for proper traction. I'll link our e-file pen tutorials in the description if you want to find out more about using our drill bits. If your cuticles need trimming, use cuticle nippers to carefully trim any loose or dead skin around the cuticle area, avoiding cutting live skin. If you're using an e-file pen, follow with the Cuticle Pusher diamond drill bit to gently smooth and exfoliate the cuticle area. Using light pressure, gently work over the cuticle and surrounding skin to remove any dry or lifted areas, leaving a clean, polished finish. As mentioned earlier, always use cuticle drill bits on level 1 with light pressure. Keep the bit moving in one continuous direction to prevent heat buildup. Rest your hand on a stable surface for control and turn your hand as needed to reach all areas. These simple techniques will help ensure an effective and safe prep. If your nails need shortening, trim with nail clippers. Start by trimming your nails to your desired length, then remove the sides of the nail in small clips, angling them towards the center to begin creating the tapered shape. Clip in sections, making sure you allow enough room for error. Using the fine 180 grit side of your nail file your nails to the desired shape, making sure the edges of each nail are smooth. Using the fine 180 grit side of your nail file, gently buff the entire surface of each nail. Make sure the whole nail appears dull from the buffing, paying particular attention to the sides of your nails and around the cuticles, as this is where lifting may occur if not buffed correctly. If you're using an e-file pen, you can alternatively use one of the two 40 grit sanding drill bits at speed level 1 for gentle, efficient nail plate prep. Hold the e-file like a pencil and use light, even pressure, moving the bit in one direction. Carefully work around the cuticle area, adjusting your hand to maintain a safe angle. Always keep the bit moving to avoid friction or heat, and don't overbuff. The goal is simply to dull the shine for better gel polish adhesion. While the 180 grit nail file is safe for use on natural nails, the 180 grit sanding band behaves very differently. With a handheld file, you control the pressure and speed, making it gentler, but an e-file sanding band rotates at high speed, removing layers much faster and creating friction, which can easily lead to overfiling. For this reason, we recommend using the gentler 240 grit sanding band when working on natural nails. Whichever method you use, focus on evenly removing shine across the entire nail, including around the edges and cuticle area. This helps ensure strong adhesion and reduces the risk of lifting. Brush away any buffing dust with the Gelous dust brush. Wash your hands and dry them thoroughly. Put on the anti-UV gloves to protect your hands from UV exposure. Alternatively, apply sunscreen to your hands 15 to 30 minutes before the following steps. Avoid getting sunscreen on your nails and wipe off if you do. Apply gel nail polish remover to a lint-free wipe or use a pure acetone wipe to thoroughly clean your nails, including the area under your nails and around your cuticles. This removes dust and oils on your nails while dehydrating the nail bed, giving the base coat a fresh surface to apply to. If you're using pH Bond, apply a thin coat to your nails and air dry for 60 seconds. Do the same with nail primer. Apply a thin coat to your nails and air dry for 60 seconds. Apply a thin coat of base coat to your nails and cap the free edge. All layers apart from your top coat will remain slightly sticky after curing to help the next layer adhere. Place your hand flat inside the UV LED gel nail lamp and press the 60-second button to start curing. If you're using builder gel, apply 1 to 2 thin coats and cap the free edge. After each coat, cure for 60 seconds under the UV LED gel nail lamp. For added strength or longer nails, you may wish to build the nail, which helps support the structure and reduces the chance of breakage. To do this, apply a thin slip layer of builder gel and leave it uncured. This helps guide the next layer into place. Here I've used clear builder gel. Apply a small bead of builder gel near the base of your nail and slowly push it towards your cuticle, ensuring it does not touch the skin. Guide the builder gel from side to side using less product with each pass and pulling slightly toward the free edge. This helps create a smooth, even curve with the bulk concentrated in the center. For more detailed builder gel tips, check out the tutorial linked in the description. Using a thin nail art brush, lightly pull some builder gel up the nail to help even out the application. Tilt your nail upside down briefly to help the apex self-level into a natural shape. On your UV LED gel nail lamp, press the 99-second low heat mode button to cure at 12 watts for 50 seconds, then 24 watts for 49 seconds. If your builder gel needs some refinements, apply gel nail polish remover to a lint-free wipe or use a pure acetone wipe to thoroughly clean your nails. If your builder gel has bulked the free edge, use the 180 grit side of the nail file to file your nails back to shape. Use the same side of the nail file or the sanding drill bit to refine any uneven areas or bulk. Avoid excessive filing to maintain strength. Just refine the shape and smooth out any roughness. Dust your nail with the dust brush and apply gel nail polish remover to a lint-free wipe or use a pure acetone wipe to thoroughly clean your nails. Apply 2 to 3 thin coats of color coat and cap the free edge. After each coat, cure for 60 seconds under the UV LED gel nail lamp. Leave a small gap between the gel nail polish and your cuticles to avoid getting gel polish on your skin. If you do, remove it with the nail polish remover pen, an Orangewood Cuticle Stick, a silicone tool or a nail art brush before curing. Apply a thin coat of top coat and cap the free edge. Your gel nail polish should be hard and smooth after the final cure. Cure for 60 seconds under the UV LED gel nail lamp. Apply cuticle oil around your nails and rub into your skin to nourish and moisturize. With that, you have completed your manicure or pedicure, resulting in a durable and professional looking set of gel nails that will last over 2 weeks. Thanks for watching!